Hello, welcome. This video is for anyone who missed the first day of class. Maybe you're adding the class, maybe some emergency came up and you missed the first day of class. If you requested an add code, I would have emailed it to you. And from what I understand, you simply go to the college's website, sign up for the class, and it'll probably tell you something like it's too late, you must have an add code. That's when you would enter the add code. It's very important to understand the syllabus and all of the first day items that I go over in class. So I now have that information in video form so that you can watch it, get caught up with us, and when you come to class, you feel like you're part of the class, you feel welcomed in the class. That's the goal. So the steps. First thing, sign up for the class if you haven't already. Once signed up, you should be able to access the college's learning management system. Learning management system, for most of you, will be Canvas. So how do you get to Canvas? First thing is you go to the college's website. I teach at a couple different colleges, but for the majority of you, that would either be Santiago Canyon College or Saddleback. Just simply go to whatever college you're signed up with, go to their first page, and you will see somewhere near the top a big link for Canvas. Once you go into Canvas, you will be prompted to log in. That will be the same credentials that you use to sign into the college's system to sign up for a class or to register in the first place. Then you will see the class that you're in with me listed somewhere on the first page in Canvas. Simply click on it, go into it. Now, it usually only takes a couple of hours now from the time that you officially register for the class to where Canvas will have the class waiting for you to see. Now, even if you cannot access our class in your learning management system yet, you can still get started watching the videos. You just simply take good notes on the video and then a couple hours come back, check in Canvas, and then you can download this stuff. But since we're here, I'm going to start with telling you what you will do when you're in the learning management system once you can access it. And I'm just going to randomly click on a class because it really doesn't matter. They're almost all set up the same. Once you get inside of the class, inside of the learning management system, and again for most of you that'll just simply be Canvas, what you're going to do is first look at announcements. At this point in the class, there should be two announcements in here. One for our first day, look through that, and then go to the second day announcement and look in there and kind of jot down maybe on a piece of paper everything that I mentioned that is due for our second class. And obviously you will not have been there to get the handouts, but the handouts are located in the learning management system as well under Files. So you'll go to Files, and the first thing you want to do is download the syllabus. Now, when I say download, you would download it especially if you want to print it out. But if you're just going to read it, you don't actually have to download it. You can just simply click here and the syllabus will appear in front of the screen here, and then you can follow along when you're watching the videos with the actual syllabus. If you do want to download it so that you can print out a copy, then what you need to do is you go over here and there's these dots. Just click there and you'll see the word download. Now if you're on a different learning management system, a lot of times just clicking here just downloads it. So just check it out. I'm sure you'll figure it out right away. The only thing I want you to be aware of is if you click here, don't ever print from here because you will get a very weird printout. Probably half of it will get cut off. So you always want to download. In fact, it looks like it would even let you download right from here again. But anyway, this is usually the simple way. Click here, download. For sure, you will need the back page of the syllabus. You will need this questionnaire. Now, what if you don't have access to a printer? What you can do is just watch the videos, take good notes so that you know how to answer the questions because they show up during the videos. Write all that down, come to class a little bit early, go to the library, print out the information at the library, and then you can come to class fully prepared. You will also need this take-home quiz, and then depending on what you've read, there may be one or more items in addition that you need to download. And when I say depending on what you read, I mean depending on what you read in announcements here, in the announcement that is for our second class meeting. Now let's talk about how you access the 5 videos that you need to watch for the first day. So you're just simply going to go to a browser window and you're going to type in prof, P-R-O-F, Steve, S-T-E-V-E-G, .wordpress.com, and there you go. Hit enter and you're going to go right here, instructional videos, first day videos, and then you're going to watch each one of these videos. Take notes when, well, for anything, but especially when the questions come up, either fill the questions in the blank or make notes so that you can fill them in later. And do not skip over these videos. I don't want to sound like I'm a real strict instructor, but when it comes to the first day stuff, I am. How can I say this without saying too gruff here, but you are not welcome in the class if you do not watch and understand these videos. I've been teaching for many years, and the unpleasant experiences that I have with students, I think 99.9% are the students not understanding what's required of them in the class, understanding the grading system, and all of that is explained in here, just like if you were sitting with me the first day of class. So if you come into class and you're not prepared with the back page of the syllabus and with the questions from the syllabus, or they're answered in a way that lets me know that you didn't watch it, I will drop you from the class, okay? So hopefully I don't sound too mean, but it is very important. Once you have watched these videos, then go back and read the announcement again for the second class meeting and make sure you know what is due. Most likely there will be some video instruction that you're required to watch before that class. And usually the items are located here. Often I just give the URL so you can copy it and paste it in the browser. But just to orient you with it, let's say, for example, you are in the 195 class. You would go down here, as it would say in the first announcement, it would say watch the set 1 videos and answer these questions. And then it may say go to set 2 and watch the first video. So just trying to show you how to navigate through here. Also, it may say to watch some videos under here. Very often, classes where this is appropriate, I'll say go to Software Help to Illustrator and then watch one or more of these sections or the videos contained. So let's say I said go to Illustrator, watch the pen tool videos. So you go to Software, Illustrator, pen tool, and then the videos show up here. And just so you know, these are all YouTube videos, so you don't have to watch them tiny here. Once you start watching them, you can click on this to take you full screen. And then you have the other tools in here. If I'm talking too fast for you, you can go to playback speed, slow me down a bit. You can also, if I'm talking too slow for you, you can speed me up. Hopefully I didn't scare you away. I look forward to meeting you on our second class and look forward to working with you.